Alright, with number one here, doing more arpeggios. So I just continue using your first and pinky. So your thumb's going to be like either like right behind your index or a little bit to the right of it. The thing you don't want to have happen is the thumb going to the left of the index finger. Alright, if you have it up too far like this past the fretboard, then it makes it harder to hit that stretch too. So keep it a bit further back. And when you get like that kind of buzz sound right there, typically that means that your finger is too far to the left and you need it closer to the actual fret. So like down here, like that's the first fret. If you're going to be doing something on the first fret, you want your finger close to that fret, but not directly on it. It's like right up next to it. So here, like your 5 and 7, you need your index finger very close to that 5, and your pinky finger very close to that 7th fret. So you don't want it like in the middle, you don't want to go too far to the left, or you get all kinds of funny noises. So pay attention to how many times you're hitting everything, because we want to do more than just get the notes to sound good. We got to train ourselves to read these things correctly and be able to follow all this stuff, so we can play all kinds of things. So basically the notes on the low E string you're going to hit 4 times. The notes on the A string you hit 3 times. That's per bar or per chord. So you got your 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's that for that bar. So I'm going to run through the whole thing, and you can do this with or without distortion. It works fine for these chords. But here we go. Okay. So number 2, make an adjustment here. Okay. So you gotta leave your index finger down the whole time. The whole time. Keep that planted on the low E string. So you're just gonna move it around as you go from bar to bar here. So you got the fingers you're gonna use for each bar, and when you put, whoops, I forgot to turn this off. When you put one of the other fingers down, still keep the index finger down, because it doesn't matter what finger is down or what finger back on the low frets is down, because it's not going to affect anything. So it doesn't matter what you do behind that highest fret, it doesn't change anything, because the finger that's on the highest fret is where the string is being pinched off. Alright, so this is how it should go. There we go. Alright, so if you have any questions with this stuff, please let me know, and I will see you again next week.